everyone, welcome back to another Peppi tutorial. My name is Sherlyn and today I'm going to show you 2 different methods on how to remove your Peppi cure. Let's get started! Alrighty, so now I have all my materials set up already. So for the first method, we're going to use the Peppi soaker bowl. You can find this on the Peppi website. And then 5 cotton balls and acetone. Make sure it's 100% pure acetone, because if it's not, then it's going to take forever to remove your nails. For the second method, you're going to need a medium or small bowl, a Ziploc bag, and a paper towel. So for both methods, you're going to need hot water, as hot as you can handle. Just try not to burn your hands. And then also make sure you have your buffer. So for both methods, you're going to start with buffing your nails first to remove that top coat. So we're going to actually go ahead and start with that first, and then I'll show you each method. So just buff off just enough to get rid of the top coat. And this also helps speed up the process a little bit. Alright, so now I'm done buffing all of my nails, removed all the top coat. So we can go ahead and get started. So grab your hot water. For the Peppi soaker bowl, you just open it up. Fill it up about halfway through. Pour that hot water in. Okay. And then close that. And then you put the cotton ball in each little hole for each finger. And then grab your acetone and just pour enough to cover the cotton balls in each little hole. Okay. Alright, and then for the other method, you grab the bowl, pour the hot water, and then grab your Ziploc and the paper towel. Just fold that in. Then grab your acetone. Pour that in the Ziploc bag, just enough to cover the paper towel. With a little extra there. And then just put that in your hot water. Alright, so now we can get started. So each method, this method takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and this one takes about 6 to 8 minutes. Alright, so now you just have to rub in your fingernails, just let it. Alright, so now looks like we're done. All of them are removed now. This took about 8 minutes. You still see a little bit of excess on the side, so you just go ahead and clean it up with another paper towel and some more acetone just to make sure it's all cleaned up and everything is removed. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. My name is Sherlyn. Bye!